Mastering Prepositions and Conjunctions, your grammar heroes. Hello, English learners. In today's session, we will dive into an exciting aspect of the English language, prepositions and conjunctions. Our specific focus for this video will be to learn how to identify these grammar heroes in sentences, which is a crucial step in mastering the use of English prepositions and conjunctions in writing. So, get ready to supercharge your English grammar skills. Prepositions and conjunctions may sound a bit daunting, but they are truly our friends in writing. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun, or a pronoun, and some other word in the sentence. Words like in, at, on, over, and through are all prepositions. On the other hand, conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses together. Common examples include and, but, or, so, and, because. Remember, prepositions and conjunctions can completely change the meaning of a sentence, so it's crucial to use them correctly. Identifying prepositions in sentences can be straightforward once you know what to look for. A trick is to remember that prepositions often indicate direction, location, or time. Let's look at some examples. 1. The cat is on the mat. 2. She arrived after dinner. 3. He lives in New York. In these sentences, on, after, and in are prepositions. They show location or time in relation to the rest of the sentence. Like prepositions, conjunctions have a specific function. They connect. Therefore, if you find a word that is acting as a connector in a sentence, it's likely a conjunction. Here are a few examples. 1. I want to go to the park, but it's raining. 2. She loves reading and writing. 3. He was tired, so he went to bed early. In these sentences, but, and, so are conjunctions. They connect words, phrases, or clauses. Now that we've learned how to identify prepositions and conjunctions, it's your turn to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. Exercise. Identify the prepositions and conjunctions in the following sentences. 2. I'll meet you at the park after lunch. 3. She didn't want to leave, but she had no choice. 4. He ran through the field with his dog. Well done! We've successfully explored prepositions and conjunctions and learned how to identify them in sentences. Practice identifying these grammar heroes in your daily reading and writing, and you'll see a tremendous improvement in your understanding of English grammar. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, and as always, happy learning!